Fantastic morning. Me ma obi official power hemia. Me ma official pa. Opa na tama. December ne abore mu no burunya no so na eba no. Ohu se na wi ma ye ne mframa no akwakoye no atum se we na re burunya no. Tore bia opene nheda ma papa. Se burunya bia opene ba. Ehini mu de hyehye radio patcho mane ko fom kakra na. Ore ti mane fato be 22 16 no de ehini mu hyehye. Uchime connect to work about boy pa na but still vim ya band ya ba no pay Franco Trading Enterprise dey sia konkona ya den sabno dey brewo bronya etade che obi Franco say o teso ma say na be abetima tade dey che obi Franco Trading Enterprise and ya can form one ya show na no pay so betima top phones ahodo no matter the phone obetimi atowo mo hodom sikani ho tie ya no strategic brea o matete o TV no mo fridge issue na why wide atobi Abipia Makoye Franco Trading Enterprise. Yes, Sergio Manucho, Bernard Paribu Chemi producers, Kejuan Kasani Eric Hasiedu Bwedi and Shasi and Fanfi, the English Premiership. Over the weekend, interesting results still. Manchester City, Siabo Dio Sedeo, still winning my breye, my bre papa. Weekend, you almost signed Luzuye. I don't know what they pa. Arsenal, to me, Ejan and I saw a Bogumu by 5-1 against Crystal Palace, and I faced Tottenham Hotspur, Liverpool, and anyway, Chelsea train draw against Everton. Table no swire de yanko he matches no Premiership no now or send table na sia kwakoya interesting on top of the table na Liverpool so obeja bo so ni ade na Chelsea twebe no kakra ba Chelsea train draw ama points no aya interested papa yen hwe Liverpool betimi age anase mpokura Chelsea be fa ho aba abedi ekan e wo table no so now 39 points for Liverpool 35 edema Chelsea 33 edema Arsenal. In the Spanish La Liga, Real Madrid Bogumo 9. Tim say Kylian Mbappe, Rodrigo, Omo Bogos Nova Valde, beautiful goals na Real Madrid share over the weekend. Now so Barcelona EDC form against Atletico de Madrid. For the first time in so many years, Atletico de Madrid had team Yasha Barcelona. Now I'm off for table on 41 points. And I'm a Real Madrid second with 40. I'm a stunning game. The Shannon Sumame. Sanso na Barca tosumi and San. Basa asa de premature ejaculation. We start petre sa on the flick boy yeah. 38 and almost break in a Spanish La Liga Shannon so sa for me okupimo Italian Serie A matches ba so na the German Bundesliga so Orokodo Bayern Munich Bogumu Napoli so e Bogumu wo Italy na be to aso de be PM be de bro. Yentin sim na yen share and some for over the weekend once again Alexander Usyk unified the division heavyweight box of the year just a wajiri na boss of world heavyweight champion Alexander Usyk or Tyson Fury by split decision to make sure na bobre pa na nyasem keto say WBA WBO wajiri na dia boss wa nyasem keto na Tyson Fury timi a na want to meet chairman yanko yesene say about the bio Riyadh season 96 so heavyweight champion of the world actually Tyson Fury assign ho adwuma bi ma nyasem keto akra share so mame Joy FM party in the park baso edenden dia nyasem keto Joy FM family party in the park Abu Botanical Gardens yina ye ko share ho na the likes of Camedo Kwampa na kwabena antofo brena na eba yina enkoje ni na bibia nteme enkoye so ewo ho e no mo share so mame say weekend nkrofo e di gusu kakra batamfa Manchester United je share ho 3 oi boy yeah amorim Masudi Dramani, head coach at the Black Galaxies of Ghana over the weekend. Kopimo the Accra Sports Stadium. Na Ghana has to be to me take commanding lead against Nigeria. Our Chan qualifiers name on us. Zulu as I say no. See bit my qualifiers. See a Nigeria. Need to me a Koko wini. Did it so? Vim and Vogo. So Ghana bit me a qualify.
It was better to have a scoreless draw rather than to have a scoreline draw. What I mean is that technically the game is buried now. So we are going into a new game, and it doesn't matter where the game is being played. You know, I believe that in Africa now officiating cannot be too bad, in the sense that this was our home game, but there was nothing that we were playing and hoping for any favor in terms of officiating. We just have to play, and I believe that where we're going to play the game, also the pitch is one of the best. Is the only approved pitch in Nigeria, and so it's the best. I believe that the most important aspect of our team is we played with the best energy. The boys came with the right effort and they performed. You know, results, come, when sometimes you don't control it. But I believe that they will control the game again. We will control the game. And they will open up and then the game will be open. But even that one, you cannot just go and play a game and just open out.
So did from money there. Now Okopimo Award, the Wafu under 17 Girls Cup on Ghana Black Maidens to be winning 5-4 over Nigeria. And we say Nigeria man no name him and so but a man here to major trophy no. I just said any some get why enko pram.
Fall against Christiana. Easy does it! Victoria Bamford! Heartbeat of every Ghanaian to sit on tenterhooks and wait for that glory. There we have it. There we have it. There we have it. There we have it, the Black Maidens of Ghana. They are going to lift the trophy and it will be presented to the captain of the side, Latifa Abesek.
Let's give them a round of applause as they pick the
there you
trophy.
have it.
Congratulations
The road
to the
to
Black
recovery.
Maidens of Ghana.
Road to resuscitation begins now with the Black Maidens.
Hip, hip,
She
hip.
takes the time.
Hip, hip, hip.
She lifts the trophy. There you
Hip,
have
hip,
it.
hip.
These are the champions. The Waffle Zone BU17 Girls Cup Ghana
A wonderful
2024.
job done.
The Black Maidens of Ghana, Boma Basso Relations, Momo Payi, Leadia Franco Training Enterprise. Can also bounce back after so Kumasiko losing against Asante Koroko. The University of Ghana Stadium, Bogumo Kamiensa, Emma, Brekum Chelsea, Carabo Bako, Hazo, and Koroko, Okopimo 2-bar. Koroko, so we need 2-1 over Dreams FC.
Adom is back to Martin Kakari. This could be 3-4. Oh, is it? That is it. Kwapi the Boatin hits the first one for the Phobians. And it looks like they're part. Baidu. Badore gets it away. Hussein. Yes, Hamza. And Asafok double the lead through Hamza Isa. That's it, oh my goodness, they put one back. And it's Emmanuel Sapo with a textbook header. And Brekum Chelsea are back into this game, at least. So just look at it. Oh, do you leave it? And Emmanuel Aqua. And Samiru Aqua, Betis man. Finds Saka. Aqua. It could be dangerous for Dreams. Oh, that is it. Papayara with Kotoko's first goal. Lovely.
Box into the box and then get anybody to bounce onto and score. That's exactly what they did. And I believe they would pile on the pressure.
Here's Samoa, not the best of first start. The managed to keep it. He's screaming the second one. That's a big hand. It's been turned in. And it's in. It's Saka down with Kotoko's second goal. And it's becoming a certain party for the Red Army. He's seen less of the ball this afternoon. And the fewer he has seen when it starts, it's in. And Dreams are being depleted apart here at their own backyard.
Right, Dreams FC and Josh and Hobokono. And here the other results course so by the weekend out of Lions still a sort of Wajabos to be being Gold Stars so Boyma Sane Koroko as of Ericam one nations winning over Legon Cities by 3-0. Bechem United was summoned by a goal to the Heart of Lions. Yes, Hottenefi league leaders over Bashake 3 Gold Stars winning 2-1 over Insuatremai and a Young Apostles net vision game on the year 1-1 on top of the table. A Heart of Lions or 27 points. Biani Gold Stars our 27 and I Bechem our 26 points. Nations our 25. The Otosunum Sante Kotoko 24 as a folk Toso. In Sia, 22 points the way, and then the course so the Ghanaian Premier League made on some and so a brush and so over the weekend of Kwa United, a winner. I just say Koye Pani and many director he bet me a Countryman Songo for a few minutes. Our Songo staker, Mr. Patrick Osageman, Countryman Songo. Fantastic morning, Memoir Fishapa, and Mwakwaba.
Fantastic morning, fantastic. I don't pay the quick one, and he said. Official pa and I think come to After the Sena, being in Goma, Bibia Irish Air Conquine. The Songo stake there. And that Monday, near me Ghana Fungina and say, Mimi take on Blasters coach. And he said, I just see a nya Ubia or ye well qualified, world class, with Nima dear, coaching. Just say, oh, dear, new coaching, or making impact, players, any national team. So, into your Blasters now, ye need coach. Ye coach, Papa. Ye 2025. Mimi take this also in your world class coach. Also in your coach, a coach Blasters. Coach, or your discipline, or moving dictating man. Obey a selection based on merit. On your agency players because if you're interest, woman, as if you be your percentage. Moving to 2025, Blasters 8 year. A world-class coach or T game, and the coach is never ball. Coach is never read the game. Eddie Omo plan, Eddie Omo formation, but scouting good players, a good selection. Into Blasters now, I say no. Ye hear good coach. Blasters now, African Cup, AFCON crying to be qualified. Ye hear world-class coach. Good coach, a world-class coach. Coach or Sefata. Blasters in this every trainer scout to African Cup AFCON will team qualify with teams like Niger, Angola, and Sudan. Ghana Blasters and qualify for AFCON African Cup. Yeah. Then we need a world-class coach. Coach will never deal with my Jumano. Not the taxpayers' money, Yetiano and go waste. Until once again, fire Christmas and come out with BBL, or Adom TV and obey, and a fire New Year and come out with BBL. Songo Stake, I'll be back 2025.
Stronger.
Ijano de be so professional now.
Yeah.
You world class coach for Blasters, and yes, our Blasters more fire.
Most definitely, more fire. And I know 2025, Ijana no bed and Cratch in 2024. Thank you so much, Mr. Patrick Osajeman. I was Franco Trading Enterprise, so this year no matter the phone type will be or smart TVs from 32-inch to 55 inches. Ubenyabi of Franco Trading Enterprise, tabletop fridges, and also Ubenyabi of Franco Trading Enterprise. And I face Franco air conditioner 1.5. I could see 2.5 horsepower CCTV camera. Bia Benyabi Franco. Yada masensa. More can one abibia. Yada agodi monsa made about 40% discount. No day to products I hold one so until you white. Never home gym. Joy FM party in the park. Family no mashe fiache mumpie kakra. Nipa nsia 200 cedis pe mu wura mu ye konom ye kodidi ye kosa ye kogieni Abre Botanical Gardens in Tishane so 26th of December. With me ato ticket in Tempa so obadre FM with me ato ticket na bibia so atimi akoye Christmas Eve birthday Joy FM family in the park. Sanjo Manocho Bernard Padi bo me producers ya mama Fishapa Kejwana Kasa ne Eric Asie du Boadie ne. Yes, they apomode on some better as we are. Sister Sandy be a guy. And then Arena red moke, red dress, red everything. Or twice. Because I have a